Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can see who shared your post on Instagram. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to open Instagram and log into your account. After that, you're going to click on the profile icon at the bottom right and you'll be redirected to the profile section. Next, you're going to simply open the post for which you wish to see the analytics. For example, I'm going to click on this one and then you'll be able to see some options right over here. So if you have some likes, comments, reposts, or shares, you'll be able to see the number over here. But in case if you don't see them, you're going to click on View Insights over here and then you'll be able to see a detailed view of all the insights, and this one is the share one. So the number right beneath this icon displays how many people shared your post. But for this, you need to be on a professional account. To make sure you are on a professional account, you're going to go to Profile, click on the three horizontal lines at the top right, and then you're going to scroll down and click on Account Type and Tools. And over here, you're going to make sure that your account is set to professional. And that's it. That is how you can see who shared your post on Instagram. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.